Hey guys, so welcome back to my day 3 of being a vegetarian. I'm gonna be trying to make an acai, a smoothie bowl. And we're gonna see how that goes, basically. Green smoothie bowl. Well, that's a big ass pit. So honestly, it's not as green as I'd like it to be. I'm gonna add a little bit of matcha. So this is the best part. Oh shit. So that was the finished product of my little smoothie bowl I got here. So today is day 4 of my challenge. So today I'm gonna make some poutine, however you want to say it. I'm cutting my potatoes into wedges. Have to be perfect. So this is 3 potatoes, actually kind of a lot, but I'm gonna pat them to dry. Okay, we're gonna fry the potatoes. A good heaping teaspoon of butter. Alright, so this is about 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And then this is like 1 teaspoon of what rouge it kind of look like. To it. Give it flavor. But I kind of wanted like a brown gravy for this poutine. Butter, adobo seasoning, black pepper, salt. Okay, so I really wanted brown gravy, but sadly I don't have any brown gravy, so I'm going to take a 4th cup of soy sauce. So another 4th cup of soy sauce. Make it a little darker. And there we go. Brown gravy. Provolone, mozzarella, and I'm just gonna cut that. I don't have cheese curds, sadly, but this will do. So I'm gonna sprinkle the cheese on top. Some of this cheese, but also shredded version. And then we're gonna add some parsley. 'Cause, you know. So, I'm so excited. It looks so good. I'm gonna try it. Not bad. I mean, I definitely added a little too much soy sauce. It's like a tad bit salty, but the cheese is helping it out. Greetings. So, it is a bit late, but I'm hungry. Because earlier the poutine kind of kept me pretty full. Up until 10 o'clock I usually get really hungry though. And I know I shouldn't late night binge or eat, but I really wanted to make a buddah bowl today. And that's what I'm going to be doing. So these are some of the ingredients I'm going to be using for the buddah bowl. So here I'm just going to be peeling sweet potatoes. So I just finished cutting up all the vegetables. Here's some olive oil. And then I'm gonna sprinkle some black pepper. Salt. Then I'll take some black pepper, I'm gonna take some salt, a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of paprika. Give a little oomph, toss that around. So here I'm going to make the sauce. It's about 3 spoons of hot water. One teaspoon of that, and some hoisin sauce. Of sesame seed oil. I'm gonna add a little bit more hot water because I feel like it's a little too thick still. More water. So this is kind of the consistency you want. Kind of like a mousse pudding type of consistency. So now it's time to dress up this buddah bowl. So I just finished the buddah bowl, and man guys, this looks amazing. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna take another bite on camera. It is so fresh. And the peanut sauce on top of it, amazing. I can probably incorporate something like this in my like everyday meals because this is so good.